So there is a pastor who decided to carry his speaker and go to the back of a KUSC hostel to go and preach. And the students approached him. So let's watch the video.
Masha say I can't so this is not allowed. When you're allowed to baby in a hostel so ha. When you're allowed to baby in a hostel, and you may use the you never some fool. Now because you I didn't know you and for so many also. Didn't know you obey catch you to die. You didn't know you. There is time for everything. Sundays you go church. Mas yeah speak ano ebe say wa how yeah ebe say wa ha yeah ebe say wa ha ye nya bronsan fo did na o ye no tie side dey we ye two for we did na o ye and this Saturday say na binu mo da ade anopati to tuna be je dey side
see, let's be honest, sometimes it's a timing. Ebia ahumachi, ebi muada, people are asleep, people are trying to rest. Wapo juma, ebi muwa run shifts. They just come from night shifts and come and meet noise behind their doors, behind their windows. And it becomes something. See, at the end of the day, it's the word of God. The word of God is supposed to be cut across as it should. But then when it cuts across at the wrong time, people tell me it to be, oh yeah, you are disturbing, you are this. Meanwhile, it shouldn't be like that. So just know your timing. Okay. Maybe you want to go and preach to some people during the day or something. Just lower your speaker. That's the best thing to do. Because what's your video now? What to me was a course watching, and the students are trying to rest. They are trying to rest. Exams not go 21 trashy, trying to rest and clear their mind and prepare for the next paper. No, and you are the back of the hostel making noise. It's too much. You can go to campus, you preach to them, they will listen. Some will listen, some will not listen. So you should know your audience and know the places. Places like Atomic Junction, and open and Jumano, not live band ankasa. They are disturbing and it's too much. It's too much. It's becoming a thing in this country. And it's I don't know. It's the word of God, but people are supposed to accept it at the end of the day. But the pastors, the people delivering the messages, the preachers are delivering it the wrong way and also at the wrong time. So please, you do something about it. Honestly, do something about it. So this is Charlie. What they happen. My name is Coco Brown, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.